Hello everyone. In this project, the client has asked us for a prefabricated concrete structure on which an existing concrete beam is to be placed. For this purpose, a column with a cantilever element at the top and with the rebar placement shown in the drawing has been used, which is prefabricated. First, a reinforced concrete foundation is executed individually in the ground, and the waiting rebars are placed on it. Then the prefabricated column is placed on this foundation with a crane, and the rebars are filled with concrete.